What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. I was about to start working on my truck, or at least just checking it out, without even getting my camera out. So we're just gonna go over it real quick, make sure that the whole front suspension looks good from the other day after I put the drop spindles on and drove it around a little while. So let's get under and check this thing out and make sure everything's good. Alright, hopefully it's not too hard to see, but everything under here looks good. So all the nuts are still nice and tight, which of course they should be because they got cotter pins through them, but everything underneath here looks good. Clearance from the drop spindle down there looks fine still, so and the other side looks just as good. So I think we're good to go for our road trip. Alright, so truck's ready, I'm ready. Now it's just get up in the morning and hit the road. Getting up way too early. It's pretty bad when I'm getting up to go to a show as early as I do to get up and go to work. But hey, oh well. Alright, see you in the morning. Alright, well, nothing happened eventful on the road, so now we're at the hotel. Sleep in. Alright, let's go check out our room. Hopefully it ain't too craptastic. Like all retarded. Laundry room. Where did you say the elevator was? Oh, hey, there's the elevator. Going up. Really? Yo, get out of my camera. Don't know you. Who do you think you is? Some people just get right up in the camera, think they part of my videos. Come on. Third floor. Yeah, by the way, that's my son. He's adopted.
Thanks.
At least we could have some elevator music. What the heck room did he say? 303. 303. That way. Long, spooky looking hallway. Okay, not really. Good Lord, couldn't get a room closer to the elevator? Come on. You know, I'm old. Can't walk this far. Oh, there it is. 303. Alright, well, there's my shanty for the night. Giant flat screen. Yeah, not really. And holy crap, it is freaking cold in here. This is ridiculous. Alright. Well, I guess next, we can get some food.